We live in an amazing time where the tools to create a new product or service are more accessible to more people than ever before. It reminds me of the desktop publishing revolution of the mid-1980s, where anyone with a Macintosh computer, LaserWriter printer, and PageMaker software suddenly had the tools previously only available to designers, typesetters, and printers. But just like back then, having the tools of a designer didn't make you a designer. There was a lot of bad design. And like then, today just being able to develop a product idea, crowdfund some initial capital, and make a spiffy video doesn't mean a product will be a hit. That's why we formed Product Alchemy, to help today's entrepreneurs ensure that they are doing everything they need to do to make their products and businesses successful. It varies greatly. For instance, some companies have their new product features thought out quite brilliantly, but they may have no idea of how to position or name the product, or the best way to introduce it to market, or how to build their organization to scale sales after launch. In other cases, they may have a great product idea, but they don't know how to differentiate it from their competitors. This is where we can bring high value when clients come to us early on in the process. Then we can help them with product positioning, naming, feature definition, or even creating product requirements to ensure the product has the best opportunity to succeed. We advise on both inbound and outbound campaigns depending on what is best for the type of product or service being developed. For instance, one inbound campaign we recommended sponsored a third-party, independently moderated online community for a new category service where it was vital to demonstrate credibility and trust. By directing pre-sales prospects to interact directly with existing subscribers, a solid community was created that not only helped convert new customers, it provided 24/7 peer-to-peer support and many great suggestions for product improvement. Other inbound campaigns we've created use techniques such as blog series, celebrity videos, product placement, user testimonial videos, white papers, self-published books, all with tracked landing pages to convert visitors into leads and then leads into customers. But inbound campaigns aren't the only type of solution we recommend. Depending on the product category and target market, more traditional outbound campaigns might be the right answer. Advising when to use direct mail, email campaigns, paid PR placement, digital pay-per-click, or mass media advertising is part of the expertise we bring to the discussion. We certainly do. We act as a strategic advisor for our clients and guide them towards the best solutions, vendors, and process for each project. For example, a startup CEO may know their product needs great industrial design, but their team may never have sourced, let alone managed, an ID firm before. They may not know how to find the best designer to fit their project, or how to select the winning firm from the few they've asked to pitch. Or a company's engineering VP may have experience building internal teams, plus effectively managing external vendors, but they may not have experience with or understand the significant implications product development decisions can have on the marketing effort when trying to bring a disruptive new category product to market. We've seen time and again how early product decisions end up preventing that one special feature or twist that might have allowed a product to catch fire in customers' minds. If there is one thing we always try to do at Product Alchemy, it's to ensure that each product has a special element that triggers people to share the news with all their friends. That's where an ounce of definition is worth a pound of advertising dollars. And defining a special element that makes a product go viral is the result of a deliberate process, not a flash of intuition or luck. We have decades of experience getting products onto shelves in brick-and-mortar stores, in addition to online e-tailers. There's an art to knowing when expansion into retail is right for a company to scale, and it depends greatly on the product category and the state of awareness of the product and company. Done too early or incorrectly, expansion into mass distribution can kill a company by draining its resources or setting unreachable expectations with investors. Advising when and how to scale is one of our core competencies. We've worked directly with most major big box retailers in the US and many in Europe, supporting sales teams, training teams, and creating merchandising display systems that tell compelling product stories. The people at Product Alchemy have deep experience defining, developing, and marketing consumer tech products, software-enabled hardware, internet-connected products, online services, and mobile apps. We have decades of expertise in the consumer electronics, data storage, recreational products, digital health, and home automation Internet of Things market sectors. Our strategic product advising centers around defining a stellar user experience and then finding the best way to deliver it, using all of the software and hardware tools that today's technologies have to offer. But most important isn't to just develop the next new product, but to have it be such a perfect match to a willing audience, with such a compelling backstory, that people will want to spread the news about this new product on their own. This integration between marketing and product disciplines is at the heart of the value Product Alchemy delivers. And it's not the way product teams or marketers normally think. Our secret formula, if you will, helps companies achieve a gestalt from their product development and marketing efforts, making 1 + 1 = 3, and that really helps make their product shine.